and welcome to another vlog. Wait lang, madumi ang aking camera. Hold on. Okay, so today, I don't know what date it is today. Today is January 5. It's my brother's birthday, but this vlog is not about my brother. I'm just saying it's his birthday. But anyway, I'm going home to Bulacan because my parents are somewhere else. They're out of the country. I don't know kung saan today. Myanmar or something. So I have to go home and work. So I thought of sharing you guys yung house namin sa Bulacan where I grew up, ganyan-ganyan. So, let's see. Not sure if makukuha ko yung keys ko from my brother, but if makukuha ko yung keys, I'll try to do a mini house tour kind of thing. So, ngayon, alam nyo ba, I don't have anything on my face. Siguro in-abandon ko yung skincare routine ko for almost a month or more. Basta ever since I started Vlogmas, hindi na ako masyado naka-skincare. I just remove my makeup, wash my face, that's it. Siguro kasi sa busy schedule, ganyan-ganyan. Pero, I don't know, feeling ko parang naging okay yung skin ko. Alam ko na! I know na pala kung bakit maganda yung skin ko. Hindi ako masyadong nagme-makeup lately. Sa Vlogmas, sobrang, what do you call this? Sobrang minimal makeup lang. Tapos feeling ko, sobrang naka-help yun sa skin ko. Sobrang nakahinga yung skin ko. So feeling ko, nag-improve yung skin ko. And also, I'm thinking of doing a no makeup look. I've always wanted to do that, pero like hindi ko siya nagawa last year. So, let me know if you want me to do that. Gonna go down already. I have to pick up Miggy. Kahapon, nag-karaoke night kami sa house ni Chels after setting up for the bazaar. Actually, hindi naman kami nag-set up. Si Arbel lang yung nag-set up. Pero after mag-set up sa bazaar, nag-karaoke night kami. So, lalagay ko dito yung clips from my story. Bye, Anne!
Sometimes it hurts instead.
Ilagad kanluran, ikaw ang hantungan at bilang.
I'm not a singer. Don't judge Miggy's last story.
Sa pasanisi chair.
Stupid
You were supposed to say stupid.
Stupid song.
I just got home and no choice ako. Kailangan kong mag-parallel parking. I did try pero I failed. So, iniwan ko na lang siya sa kapitbahay namin. Ang sungit pa naman ng kapitbahay namin. Pero feeling ko naman magigising na yung driver ko. Bagal na naman niya.
Hello?
Saan ka na? Saan? Pumasok na doon ng elevator. Nawala na ng signal eh. Why are you wearing the same jacket? Hi, baby.
Hi.
Tell them why you're wearing the same jacket.
Because there's nothing to wear.
Oh, so smooth. Your face so smooth.
Hello po. Ano shades mo?
Diba? Ang cute kaya. It covers my whole face. I like it. Breakfast pa. May breakfast pa. May breakfast. Maganda na. Wala nang breakfast.
Chicken. Chicken with rice.
Chicken. Looking for some mula. Best for headache. Manam sa kanila.
For headaches.
3 visit us, visit us. I'll be there on Sunday, January 7.
Me too.
Sunday. Chicken with spaghetti, my staple. Wait, someone's calling me. What's your order?
Chicken with rice.
And?
With extra rice.
And?
And then there's my burger.
And? You have so much food, baby. Wala, oh my God, para akong bata. I have like spaghetti sauce sa lips ko. Can I have tissue, please, baby?
What ito? Spaghetti sauce.
Ay! Babe!
Oh, but what does it mean?
Let me tissue. Ang lala ni Mickey, he ate chicken, 2 rice, burger, and then half of my spaghetti. And now he's eating my chicken.
Okay.
Mention ko sa inyo na kapag bagong gising ako, parang wala ako sa mood to eat. Pero I have to eat na kasi migraine na naman ako. Pero wala akong masyadong appetite. Grabe, babe, ang dami mong kinakain. Can you hand me my sundae, please? Best sundae ever. As in, di ba? Any fast food, sundae, Jollibee. Oh. Hey guys, so we're here na in our house in Bulacan and hindi ako na-inform na nire-renovate pala siya. Oh my gosh, I'm overexposed. Overexposed. Since I went all the way here, kasi medyo malayo yung workplace ng parents ko from Bulacan to my place, I'll just give you an empty house tour. Since andito na rin lang ako. And other YouTubers, they do that, like an empty house tour. So let's do that. Wait lang. Oh my gosh. So this is our house. Ayan, pinapalitan nila yung color nung gate to brown. We have a half court here. And then a half court there as well. Sobrang gulo ng lahat ng bagay kasi they're trying to fix it Gusto ng mom ko to yung parang malaki yung garden area. And it's sad kasi I grew up here until mga 12 years old ako. When I was 13, I moved to Quezon City. And then we would just go here during the weekend, ganyan. Pero ngayon inaayos na yung house kasi ang sad na hindi na kami masyado nakakapunta dito. Parking area namin. Can fit mga 4 cars, and then we have this walkway tingalu, and then eto papunta yan sa likod. So when you go here, oh my gosh, sorry guys, ginagawa talaga yung bahay namin. And then this is our living room. So we have the parang sofa and everything there. Tapos we have this huge mirror. Hello. Gusto to paalis ng brother ko kasi natatakot siya. Kasi he thinks every time dumadaan siya, may nakikita daw siya. And then, here we have the dining area. It's empty. The china cabinet. And then, this is our kitchen. Tinambak kasi nila yung mga gamit since they're renovating it. The first time we moved here, I think 2001 or 2002 kami nag-move dito. And when we moved here, itong mga bases na to used to be our height. So, the highest one, kahit to nung brother ko. Ito kahit to nung second brother ko. And itong small one, ito lang yung height ko when we moved to this house. And then, this is still our kitchen. Tapos, oh my gosh, hindi ako marunong mag-tour-tour Baby, come here! And then, meron kaming sliding doors. Dalawa yan. Isa dito. And then, isa dyan. Palabas dito sa backyard namin. So, ayan.
This is where you usually do the events?
Oo, usually events pag birthday, ganyan. So, ayan, ang dumi talaga. Pero dyan usually yung nilalagay yung buffet, ganyan-ganyan. Ayan. Pero kaming magsisiblings, sinasabi namin sa dad ko to put a small pool dito, especially for Rajon. And then that one is our laundry area. Ito, itong second door. And then the first door is our dirty kitchen. Tapos, ito, yung kanina lang, connecting to the, ayan, itong half court namin. Ayan, so ito half court. Ala, there's a dog!
Hi, 2K.
I don't know who you are. Baka dog lang ng mga tao dito sa house. Anyway, kung may namimiss man ako dito sa house, it's probably ito, babe. Yung parang may malaki kang space kasi in Quezon City, ang sikip. Ang sikip ng house namin sa Quezon City. Kasi yung house namin sa Quezon City, my mom calls it the school house. Kasi binild lang talaga yon for schooling purposes namin magkakapatid. Supposedly, we'll still go back here during weekends and then we'll just stay there kapag may school. But it turns out, lahat kami gusto na doon. So, na-abandon na yung house na to. So sad. So anyway, let's go na.
How about doon?
Ano ba pakita ko sa kanila doon?
Yung walkway doon.
May director yung tour natin Tapos ito, connecting to outside lang yan. So let's go back in. Cute talaga ng shades na to. Okay. Let's go up. Ito, di ba kanina pinakita ko sa inyo. This is the living room, di ba? Yan, cross-stitch yun ng mommy ko. I think mom ko gumawa niyan. I don't know how to tour. Oh my gosh. Wait lang. So ito, we have a room here, stairs. Ito, powder room. Ano lang yan? CR lang, na maliit. Yan, basta powder room. Tapos ito, lagyan na ng shoes. And then, this is the den. Pero super gulo niya ngayon kasi lahat ng couches dyan nilagay. Pero this is our parang another living room or family room. May mga lazy boy dyan. Ayan, dito. Tapos, an old TV. Tapos, piano na. When I was a kid, we used to have this piano teacher. Babe! We used to have this piano teacher that would go here and teach us how to play the piano, obviously. And my sister and I would pretend na may sakit kami or may natulog kami kasi sobrang ayaw namin mag-piano. And now I regret it kasi I want to learn how to play and I don't know if it's too late. That's Rei-Ann. That's Rei-Ann as well. That's me! That's me! And that's also me. And these are my two brothers. Si Kuya Rocky, tsaka si Dico. So, from here, andito lang yung stairs going up. So, akyat tayo. Medyo old na yung style ng house na to since it was built early 2000s. And yung parents ko, ayaw nila ipa-change yun kasi it's part of our childhood na rin. May isang room dito. Ito yung room ng parents ko. This used to be my brother's room. As in, dalawa sila. Pero, they're renovating it kasi sa isang brother ko na lang siya. So, ayan. It's empty. And then here, we have another parang common area, living room. Before merong, Mishi! Why would you do that? Parang kang pirated sa, may dumadaan. Ito yung another common area sa second floor. Tinambak kasi talaga yung mga gamit, guys. Meron ditong parang TV, and then, yan, yung mga malalaking speakers. And then this one, itong maduming room na yan, huwag nyo na tingnan. That's yung guest room. And then, here is, this used to be my room. That's why it's pink. Oh my god. Ito yung room ko dati. Yung wooden talaga siya. And then, imagine nyo naman, I have this parang queen size bed na talagang malaki. Pero, I convinced my parents to get this small pink bed for me. Alam mo ba, babe, kung anong story niyan?
I know. Yeah,
Diba, I told you. I saw this pink bed sa mall, tapos sabi ko sa mom ko, bilhin niya. And then, syempre, ayaw nila kasi I have this big bed, diba? Tapos sabi ko sa kanila, if they don't buy it, I'm gonna sleep sa floor. Ewan ko kung inakyutan sila sa akin noon, nainis sila sa akin nung bata ako. And then, my dad just bought it. So, ayan. And then, we have this mirror. Diba? Ang old-looking talaga niya. And that's me! Meron pa palang naiwan na picture dito. Akala ko inuwi ko na lahat. Tapos, nung bata ako, sobrang inaaway ako ng mom ko. Kasi dito sa closet ko, ayan, pinagtatadtad ko ng stickers. Then, just my CR. Meron akong bad memory sa CR na to. Kasi, dito sa CR na to, ko tinry i-wax yung kilikili ko. Tapos doon nag-start umitim yung kilikili ko. If you haven't watched my kilikili story, I'm gonna link it down below. Yun lang. That's basically our house. Tell me if gusto nyo ng another house tour kapag buo na siya. You know yung mga street fried chicken na you see sa street, malamang kaya nga street, meron malapit dito. And then, maayos yung itsura niya, like may actual stall. It's there, wait lang. Not you, baby. Ayan o, yung red thing na yan. So, ayan, we'll go there. I want Maggie to try it. Tara, let's go down. Which one? Tayo na, no?
Kasi ano, di ba?
Bye, Mishi.
I love you, baby.
Love you.
People patch.
Yes.
Bye.
Hey guys, I'm back home. The last clip you saw is when I dropped Mickey sa kanila kasi may prayer meeting siya ng 8 p.m. Hindi makakasama si Mickey sa amin mag-dinner kasi nga may prayer meeting siya. So, we're gonna leave na kasi 35 na and gusto ng siblings ko mag-sambo. Ayun ko, baka nag-crave sila ng grill or something. Di ba super haba ng line doon? I called and mahaba talaga yung line. So, we have to leave already. Andara na! Hey guys, we're back home from the dinner. Hindi na ako naka-vlog kasi wala, kumain lang kami. And now, I'm editing today's vlog and hopefully ma-upload ko siya tonight or tomorrow morning before we leave for the bazaar. Mag-edit lang ako, mag-upload ako and then I'm gonna sleep na. Hindi ko alam kung mag-start ako ng bagong K-drama, but also, I'm using my new mouse. I've been using it for the past few days to edit and I've been loving life so far. And my sister's watching. Ano yan, Ann?
Replay?
O, basta yan. Hindi ko alam kung sino. Basta Red Velvet. Yan. Hopefully, na-appreciate niyo yung empty house, magulong house, tour ko. Nag-effort talaga akong umuwi doon. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next one. Hindi ko kasi sure kung mag-vlog ako bukas eh. Basta I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Oh my god, I'm a trash.
Unboxing.
Dude, it's open na. I fixed it na.
Paano? Pakita natin sa kanila. Ooh, fancy. How do you turn it on? Ooh.